Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you feel today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. My dear teachers and my dear students, we are learning unit number 10 and its title is No Bullying. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 6, under the title of Listening and Speaking, we will cover up page 86 and question number 9. Before in English for grade 5, my dear students, already we have learned how we can express our opinion in front of our class. So today we are going to learn further about it. Demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to describe national events. So today we will learn that how we can discuss about any event that we have attended. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Fil, verse number 1 to 5, have you not considered how your Lord dealt with the people of the elephant? Did he not make their plot to end in vain? And he sent down on them birds in flocks, striking them with stones of baked clay. Then he made them like straw eaten up by cattle. Subhanallah, my dear students, these beautiful verses are telling us, remembering us about an event that was happened in Makkah. Okay, this is also an event when Allah Almighty sent birds. They were having stones in their beaks and they threw on these flocks. Okay, so my dear students, this surah is also a beautiful description of an event. So today we are going to learn about it, how we can share events. So yes, what you have to say to your students, my dear teachers, you have to say to students to express their opinion on the last final results ceremony of your school. So you have to discuss about the last final results ceremony with each other. Okay, you have to give your opinion. So pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back, my dear students. Good job. I hope you have expressed. Let's see how we can say and what is an event. An event is an occasion that is organized by any individual or a group to celebrate any particular happening. So what is an event? Event is a shape of any gathering that we celebrate with one another. How we celebrate? We can celebrate at it on national level, we can celebrate it at local level, okay, like limited to an area. National level, when whole community of any country celebrate this event. Okay, so let's see that. See there, my dear students, here is a pic for you and image for you that is showing an event. Okay, you can see here is what are national events. National events are occasions that are celebrated annually to commemorate important moments in the history of a country. These events usually bring people together from all walks of life to participate in various activities and commemorate the event. So my dear students, national events are those events that we celebrate at national level, and it is always being celebrated to commemorate any event that happened in the history, okay, of any country. It can be any religious event that is being celebrated on national level, and it can be any sport event. It can be, okay, so such type of events are called national event when they are being celebrated at national level, means in whole country. Examples for you, you can see that there is also a national event that is celebrated on national level. In different areas, we celebrate such type of events when we represent usually all our provinces. Here is another, yes, you can see that there is also an event and festival that is being celebrated in any country, in any city. Have you seen that, my dear students? This is also an event. This is a local event, my dear students, that is being celebrated in Gilgit-Baltistan, okay, and this is a polo festival that is being celebrated on local level. Okay, in this way we can celebrate different events in our country and region. So let's perform an activity how you will discuss about an event in your life. So let's see that. Yes, my dear teacher, you have to divide students into groups by giving name yellow group and red group. Teacher will give a topic to discuss about Eid al-Fitr of last year. After few minutes, students will come in front of class and will gather information with their classmates. So my dear teachers, you have to get students into groups. They will discuss about the Eid al-Fitr that they have spent last year. So after discussion, you will call students in front of class and they will share their opinion. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. I hope now you have given your opinion in front of your class. On page number 86, there is question number 9, my dear students. You have to do this question number 9 on your book is given and you have to perform this into your class. So pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. So what's your homework for today? You have to discuss about Islamic festival with your parents and collect information about Eid al-Adha in your notebooks. And you will collect information about Eid al-Adha that is being celebrated in our country. Okay, and you will discuss it with your teacher. My dear teacher and my dear students, there is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should provide it to your students and try to get that how they can give different opinion about national events. So what we have learned today, we learned about events. We also learned that national events are celebrated on national level. We describe national events in groups. And in this way, we have covered up our this SLO. So my dear students and my dear teachers, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture and you have got that how we can discuss different events even happening on national level or on local level. So tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.